Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So this is another interaction on SatoshiVM. We did one some days ago where we claimed points after completing the testnet on GALs, and here is another one where we are going to claim XP on Intract after completing the testnet. First of all, before we start, you have to be aware that it is not as if an airdrop is guaranteed 100% even after you have done this. So do this testnet interaction knowingly. However, we are still going to do it and claim our XP after completing our testnet interactions. And even if you have done the first one where we claimed points on gas, you still have to do this one. So I'll get started with the second task, which is to add SatoshiVM testnet to our MetaMask. So I'll click on the task. Then I'll click on continue to link. So this is our documentation, and what you are supposed to do here is to do the network configuration and add all of the details that you are seeing here as a custom network to your MetaMask. So you can see everything here. Now let me show you how to add custom network for those who may not know how to do it. Go to your MetaMask app and then go to the top left where you normally change networks. Then tap on add network, it's at the bottom. It will bring you here, tap on add the network manually. And here you can see different slots, network name, new RPC, all. That is what you saw on their documentation page. So you are going to copy everything and then paste them into their respective slots. And then once you are done, you are going to tap on save. And that is how you configure SatoshiVM testnet into your MetaMask. So we'll go back and then we'll tap on verify. And the task has been verified. So we are going to move on to the next one, which is to claim Testnet BTC from faucet. Tap on continue to link. Here is the BTC faucet, and then you are going to paste your BTC address right here and then claim your test tokens. To get your BTC address, you are going to install Unisat wallet, and this is what Unisat wallet looks like. Now I will open the app and then I will copy my wallet address. And then I'm going to paste my BTC address in the respective box. Now if you check the top of the faucet, it says I can claim 0.0002. So I'm going to change the amount below my address. I'm going to change the figure, that one, into 2 so that I can claim the maximum amount that I am eligible to claim. And then I'll tap on send testnet Bitcoin. So as you can see, the test tokens came almost instantly in my wallet address. I'm going to move on to the next part where I'm supposed to bridge Testnet BTC in layer 1 into layer 2. Tap on continue to link. Now we are using SatoshiVM official bridge, and then we are going to connect our wallet. We are going to be using 2 wallets here. We are going to be using our MetaMask and Unisat. So we are bridging it from Unisat into MetaMask. So we are bridging from Bitcoin testnet into SatoshiVM testnet. So enter the amount of testnet BTC that you would like to bridge into SatoshiVM. Then tap on deposit. Then confirm this in your wallet. So this normally take about 30 to 60 minutes sometimes for the funds to be deposited from Bitcoin testnet to SatoshiVM testnet. So when I go back to Intract, I won't bother verifying the task immediately. I will complete everything before I start verifying all of the tasks. So the next one is to swap our layer 2 TBTC into SatoshiVM. So tap on continue to link. The funds that I breached from Unisat wallet have arrived on MetaMask. You can see my balance here. So now enter the amount of BTC Layer 2 that you would like to swap into SatoshiVM. Then click on swap and then confirm in your wallet. Click on confirm. So I'm going back to Intract. The next task is to join Intract on Discord. Although I am already in their Discord server, I just need to authorize my Discord account again. Tap on authorize. If you are not yet in their Discord server, then you are going to see something else. You are going to see invitation to join their Discord server. So just accept the invitation. Next task is to follow Intract on Twitter. So I will click on the task. Tap on the follow button. Now the last task is to retweet a tweet on Twitter, so I'll tap on it. Then tap on the repost button and then go back to Intract. Now let's start verifying all of the remaining tasks one after the other. And the last one. And that's it. By completing all of these tasks, you are going to get 120 XP. Now, you can also refer your friends. However, there is no XP for referring your friends. It just gives you more chances of getting an airdrop. Okay? So that's all about the SatoshiVM testnet on Intract. If you have not done the one that we did previously, then I'm going to leave the link in the comment section. Make sure that you still do that one because we do not know which one is going to make us eligible for an airdrop. So we have to do everything possible. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do drop me a comment under the comment section of this video. If you have found value in any of my content, make sure to give me a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another tutorial.